And hello everyone, and welcome to my tutorial for Brandy Melville. Today I will be showing you how you can generate your free Brandy Melville coupon code slash gift card code. So let's start off by going onto the easygiftcodes.com slash Brandy Melville, and here just choose the gift card size, click on the generate button, and now it will start connecting to the Brandy Melville server, and it will start finding your free gift codes for the Brandy Melville. So now wait for a moment here, and wait until it has generated your free gift code. Now the user validation will be required. So just click here to complete the user validation, and after you complete the user validation, it will unlock the last four characters of the gift code. So I will just click here, and now I have my code, so I will just copy my code, go to the Brandy Melville, and now I can just add anything I want to show me back. So let's say we want this hoodie. You can of course pick anything you want, but I will just pick this hoodie. Let's say I want two of these, so I will add it to the cart, and now click on the video card or checkout. I will click on checkout because it will get right to the page where you can apply the coupon. So what you need to do now is just paste in your code. I won't like blur this code because I already used it when you see this video. So I will just apply my code here, and now you can see that the coupon will be added, and the total price will be updated. So that's it, and thanks everyone for watching my tutorial for Brandy Melville.